Example 2, maximize using the simplex method. So we've already got our table set up, so we want to go straight into finding the most negative. Well, negative 25 is the most negative indicator, so I want to circle that column. So then you look at your quotients, the circle column and the column on the right. So over here, 100, I can't do a 100. Okay, 100 divided by negative 2. All right, we don't need to do that one. Okay, that's going to give me a negative. Don't really need to look at the negatives. Okay, 200 over 4 is 50. And 150 over 0, that's going to be undefined, so I don't need to look at that one either. Okay, so 50. I'm looking at 50. That is my pivot row right there. The number that I've circled twice is my pivot element, 4. That's the one I'm going to use. So let's do it. I'm going to knock out this negative 2 right here using the 4. So we can say, 2 row 1s plus row 2. So 2 of these plus this is 5. 2 of these plus 4, that's 0. That was the whole point. 2 of these plus this is 2. 2 of these plus this is 1. 2 of these plus this is 0. 2 of these plus this is 0. Bar. 2 of these plus this is 400. Okay. The pivot row can just stay the same, so leave it alone. You get a 3, a 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 200. And then we look at the third row, but the third row is interesting because it already has a 0. Okay. Don't do extra work that you don't need to. We're trying to make zeros. It's already a 0. So guess what? Let's just leave it alone. It's already a 0. 5, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 150. Underline. Okay, at the bottom, got to get rid of a negative 25 using that pivot element of 4. Typically, I'm just going to kind of multiply them times each other. So I would say 4 row 4s plus 25 row 2s. So 4 of these is negative 40 plus 25 of these, that's 75. Negative 40 plus 75 is 35. Use a calculator if you need to. Go, what was it? 4 of the negative 10s plus 25 of the 3s. 35. Okay. So 4 of these plus 25 of these is going to be 0, of course. 4 of these plus 25 of these is 0. 4 of these plus 25 of these is 25. 4 of these plus 25 of these is still 0. 4 of these plus 25 of these is 4. And 4 of these plus 25 of these, 25 times 200 is 5,000. Okay, guess what? We're finished. How do we know we're finished? No negatives in that bottom row. The indicators are all positive, so I know I'm finished. The last thing that I would want to do here is read the solution. Okay, we should be able to read the solution because we can see our basics and our non-basics. Our basic variables are here, and our non-basic variables are going to be 0. Oops, it's supposed to be orange. Okay, so we can see x1 equals 0, x2 equals 200 divided by 4 is 50, s1 equals 400 divided by 2 is 200, S2 is non-basic 0. S3 is 150. And Z, 5,000 divided by 4 is 1250. That's my optimal solution.